Greetings, fellow traders. Paul here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, November the 1st, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we left with the market here today. So SPX, guys, took that huge outside candle from last month and started to take it up here today as we are green on the weekly chart here. Daily chart green, fresh all-time highs 4620 as we make our trek up to 5,000, which is our predicted level from the bubble report or from our newsletter not too long ago, and actually a couple weeks ago, but or months ago, but looking pretty good here so far. So we'll see how that goes. Let's say with the wave count right here, again, sort of looking like a 1-2-1-2-ish type move, kind of grindy up here, but we did get a big push in the end of the day that did feel somewhat impulsive, so we'll see if that continues to work its way up. It could be an ending diagonal, so a little bit of concern about that there too, right? So volume today was kind of blah, but is what it is, but we did get a nice push here at the end of the day. We were generally, kind of like a little bit, into the end of the day, right? We had that 618 retrace down and came all the way back to the 6-1 retrace, but ran out of power there at the end of the day. Couldn't get above the highs of the day. Could be a potential harmonic move, right? So, this could be the XA move, AB, BC, CD. So we could be looking at a bullish CD move here on the S&P going into tonight and into tomorrow. So same thing with the MES. What I would do here is just kind of put this Geo on here and see how that holds going into tomorrow. So good stuff there. Let's hear the Qs. Qs, guys, nice rip into the end of the day there. IWM was super duper strong today, breaking out of the channel. XLF. Again, a little bit of a harmonic-ish type move right there, so we'll see what kind of action we get out of that going into tomorrow. Tomorrow I would expect a little bit of chop, right, because we got Fed on Wednesday. In the meantime, VIX is down, so a little bit blah there on that. Apple, let's take a look. Below the signal zone for the majority of the day, or below the zone for the majority of the day, and then, Tesla. So Tesla, guys, we predicted this. Well, we didn't predict it, but, we anticipated it would get to 1,200 today. It did. Again, when things are as expensive as they were, like $20 at the money strikes, right, it definitely makes sense to look at those debit spreads. Honestly, $20 to $40, that's a double on the regular options, right? Of course, if you're in it from or in this week's from 2 weeks ago, you made a 100x trade and all that stuff. But, for day trading and cash flow, I'd rather trade those debit spreads for $3 and get a double off of those and save on the pullback pain and also save on the buying power, right? So a really good move there on Tesla today. So cool stuff there. If you didn't see it on the Twitter page, definitely check that out. Bitcoin today, again, down here, but some of the Bitcoin names were pretty strong. But let's take a look here at the daily charts of a couple names that are strangely strong going into tomorrow. Now, a couple of these we had on our radar. We had Fubo on our radar. That we drew a bull flag on this one on Sunday, and it just broke out of there with some super strength here today. FCell, amazing. Remember this name from a couple weeks ago? Woo! After OPEX today, it was huge. Big gap up on that one and a big push there. So nice on FCell. Again, this whole sector has been really strong. Macy's with a breakout candle there today. Very, very nice move. Tilray, always hard to trust this name, but a decent candle over the 80 MA. See if we get any follow through on that one. NVAX, strong, right? So it's right at these levels right here, but if we get above those tomorrow, I think you definitely keep it on the radar. Citigroup, inside day, but could be interesting. BBBY, a lot of the meme names were strong here today, guys. We pointed out GameStop to our group this morning. BBBY with a strong breakout candle here over the 80 MA looks pretty good. BB, BlackBerry, decent candle here. It's running into some selling pressure areas, but still just showing you the strength of these meme names here today. Even Clove got a little bit of volume and closed over the 80 MA. And UAL, although not necessarily a meme name, it was for a little bit. Nice breakout on that one. It's got a little bit of room to get to a couple levels above if it wants to. So again, this is part of the IWM, right? So this is one of the big heavy weighted ones of the IWM. You got airlines, your banks, right? Kind of the two big ones I always look for, cruise lines, stuff like that. And then you kind of can drill down after that. But anyway, guys, that's all for these. We'll see you guys in the live stream tonight. Till then, stay healthy out there. Maybe your wrist first and stay safe so you can stay